Understanding road signs is the secret to acing your driving test. Master these 40 most essential signs, and you'll pass with total confidence. Let's get started. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign indicates that stopping is not permitted at any time. Guess this road sign. Excellent. This is a children going to school warning sign. What is this traffic sign? Correct. This sign alerts drivers to pedestrian activity ahead. Identify this road sign. You got it. This is the stop sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This sign prohibits making U-turns on this road. What is this road sign? That is right. This is a designated parking place sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming circulation intersection ahead. Guess this road sign. Good catch. This sign prohibits making left turns on this road. Name this road sign. Exactly. This is the give way to traffic sign. What is this traffic sign? Excellent. This sign indicates that waiting is not permitted at any time. Identify this road sign. Correct. This sign alerts drivers to traffic signals ahead. Guess this road sign. You got it. This is the traffic cues likely ahead. Warning sign. What is this road sign? Good observation. This sign shows the maximum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Identify this traffic sign. That is right. This sign prohibits making right turns in the area. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the hump bridge warning sign. Name this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of an uneven road ahead. Identify this road sign. Correct. This sign prohibits motor vehicles on a particular road. Guess this road sign. You got it. This is the soft verge's warning sign. What is this traffic sign? Exactly. This sign warns drivers of a steep descent ahead. Identify this traffic sign. You got it. This sign alerts drivers to a junction on a bend ahead. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This sign shows the legal height limit for cars on the road. What is this road sign? That is right. This is the accompanied horse's warning sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the no through road sign. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This is the slow-moving vehicle's warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign shows a maximum speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Guess this road sign. Good catch. This sign prohibits solo motorcycles on this road. What is this traffic sign? Exactly. This sign warns drivers of lanes bending ahead. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the keep left sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This sign warns drivers of a watercourse running alongside the road. What is this road sign? Correct. This sign prohibits drivers from parking partially on the verge. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. This is a level crossing without a gate ahead sign. Guess this road sign. You got it. This sign prohibits goods vehicles from using this road. Identify this road sign. That is right. This is the national speed limit applies sign. Guess this road sign. Good catch. This sign indicates that vehicular traffic must turn left. What is this traffic sign? Well spotted. This sign warns drivers of a risk of grounding ahead. Guess this traffic sign. Correct. This sign prohibits vehicles over the indicated height. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This sign permits vehicles to park wholly on the verge. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This warns drivers of an electrified third rail ahead. What is this road sign? Excellent. This is the turn left ahead sign. Identify this road sign. You got it. This sign prohibits buses and coaches from using this road. Great job completing this video. If you want more road sign practice, driving tips, and helpful lessons, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Continue your progress with the videos on your screen. See you in the next one.